Hello everyone, this is a quiz application built using an Android Studio. It is a basic journal knowledge quiz which was built with using simple Android functions which has been implemented in Android Studio. Firstly, we have designed the first front UI of our application, in which we have basically used a text view, edit text, and two buttons to get forwarded in it, and a basic UI background. This is in a basic code of activity. Then we have main activity dot java, in which there are two buttons, in which the buttons which we have clicked, we have inbuilt in activity main XML. We have implemented the functions to that two buttons. When the start button is clicked, a new intent is created that launches the questions activity class, means another question activity.java file, and passes the name string to it as an extra data. The name string which we have passed, it is get passed to that input text, that is extra intent. When the about button is clicked, a new intent is created that launches the developers dot activity, in which we have added the developers incremented. Nextly we have another file, that is developers site. This is basic XML that is inbuilt in it, which I have written everything detailed about the developers using images, image view, and buttons. So this is main. This is an application class called developer activity, which extends the app compact activity. It represents the UI screen that is displayed to the user when they select about the developer button main activity. This class is a private member variables, which is button restart and all. Then we have view IDs find by. This activities do not receive any data or passes data to other activities. It simply provides a way for a user to restart the quiz by clicking a button. We are basically developers. We don't have any kind of features. We just on clicking a function, we will get to this intent and back to our main activity class. Another application which we have, that is the question one. This is the main activity. When we about enter the string in it, the extra intent, then this page will start, which is questions XML. In this we will get questions. We have basically used a text view and radio groups and radio buttons to provide a question answers. It is an application for a quiz game that displays a series of questions with multiple choice answers. It always keeps the track of the user score by cultivating the number of correct and wrong answers. Here are some explanations of it. So we go to questions activity.java. In this, we have imported all the required classes. We have make it the objects of the intent which we have used. We have created a string of questions and the string of correct answers and options, in which we have used the final report questions. This is a definition of questions activity, which extends the app compact. The class is the main activity of the application. This class is the main activity of an application, which means that it is the first screen that the user sees when the application is launched. Okay. So you'll basically use the quit button for quitting, and we will get the new intent, which is result activity. And in result activity, we will get this page. In this three text view, There will be the final scores, the questions which is remained and vote, and again the restart button. So main activity.java is here. In this we have get to text view. In first text view it will shows the correct answers, and in second text view it will shows the wrong one, and in third it will shows the questions which are correct and final score. And again with button restart button it will restart the quiz. It gives again the main activity dot class file, which will be the basic UI of it. Then the result of in Android manifest, which describes this class is Android manifest XML file, which describes the component of the app and their attributes and is required for an Android app to run properly. So it specifies. So we have basically add all the activities and the intent filters which is required for our classes, that is basically defaulted, and the icon for our application. So we will run this application to see the proper output of our application. This is all basic information regarding to app development. It's very simple and easiest way to develop an quiz application in Android Studio by using a relative layout. So we're gonna run it, running the emulator. So our app is installed very quickly and fastly, instantly. So now here we will add our name. That is A M U. So we will start the quiz. So this will be the intent which has been taken by user for extra data. Then here is the first questions which we have provided. Then we have to select an answer and provide to next. We will get our score here and the toast of the correct or wrong answer. If we provided the wrong answer, we will get the toast here wrong and score will be remain same as it. And if we put in quick button, we will get the final UI, that is correct answer is 1, wrong answer is 1, and final score is 1. Again restarting the quiz, we will come our front UI. And after clicking about button, we will get our developers code in this set. Again going back the basic UI of our code. So this is entirely project. It's a mini micro project style. It is very simple and easy to develop. This is in the starting and easy beginning for a developers. So thank you so much for watching this video.